How to transfer Amazon gift card balance to another account. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to transfer your Amazon account to another account. So if you have a gift card balance to any account and you want to transfer it to another one, you first need to open up your Amazon on your browser, or if you have the app, you can do that as well. So there is no direct way to transfer the balance as Amazon itself prohibits the act. So if you want to transfer your account, you first need to head over to this, and from here click on the accounts or orders, and right at the bottom you will see customer service. Go ahead and click on it. Now, once the customer service page is open, you want to head over to payments, charges, or gift cards. And then here you have multiple options. You just want to choose this option, problem with a gift card. And then here you can select apply to a wrong account. So as you can see here, Amazon gift cards can be transferred to another account once the claim code has been redeemed. For more information, you can visit this, or you can just click on I need more help. Now you have two options. You can make a direct phone call over the phone to the Amazon help and support team, or you can just chat with them online. So if you tap on start chatting now, it will open up the customer service chat. So if this is available, you can just go ahead and start chatting with them, and they will guide you through on how you can transfer your balance. So that is the only way as of now to transfer the balance from your gift card to another account. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.